What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host, Jake. Today we're going to check out Avalanche, and we've had a bit of a bloodbath in the cryptocurrency world right now. It's another crazy day in cryptocurrency. We can see we're down here on the weekly market cap. Bitcoin is down 9.2%. Also, guys, make sure you check out Lucky Block here or here, somewhere above my head. I'm going to show you a video I recently did on one of these alt gems, a cryptocurrency giveaway and games, blockchain protocol. So check that one out. I think that's really cool. So what's happening in crypto at the moment? Well, we've had a bit of a bloodbath. ETH is down 10%, Bitcoin is down 9.2%, and here we go back to my lovely little total market cap excluding Bitcoin chart. And the reason I love this chart is simply because it shows the strength of the market with Bitcoin excluded, and we're starting to feel that fear again. You know, look at the fear and greed index. We're sitting about 32 on the fear and greed index, and what is interesting is that really last time, you know, we were in this fearful scenario, we were much lower on our market cap. We had about $600 billion worth of market cap, and right now we've got the same fear level at around 1.1 trillion. So it's crazy how the fear today is totally different to fear 2 years ago. And I think, you know, we're back in this green accumulation zone, so it's potentially still a good area to start dollar cost averaging, or at least considering. We've got a lot of resistance over here at the $1.272 trillion mark. So yeah, what I can see is maybe we're going to get this corrective wave down to 991 billion-ish along the yellow support line. I think that is a possibility, guys. If the market wants to move down, it will move down. The whales will make it happen. And of course, we can speculate a $2 trillion market cap in the next few months if things get bullish quickly. So let's check it out. Alt season index. We are very much sitting in an alt season. No, sorry, a Bitcoin season. I wish it was an alt season. Really wish, because I've got way too many alts in my bag that are just sitting there doing nothing. Well, a few of them are like stakes, but some of them I'm just like waiting for this big alt season because I've been dollar cost averaging like crazy. And here we go. So Bitcoin season, very much 18 on the alt season index, meaning we're waiting for that impulse for Bitcoin to finally decide what it's going to do. Is it going to move up or is it going to move down? So today we're looking at Avalanche, guys. AVAX, a nice layer 1 infrastructure project. We can see here on the website inside Bitcoin's Avalanche Chiefs Officer says blockchain infrastructure should focus on simplicity. One of the key executives on the Avalanche blockchain, Kevin Sekniki, has explained why simplicity is necessary for layer 1 networks on the Web3. The executive has stated that simple blockchains will achieve the desired performance levels. Avalanche is one of the leading blockchains in the market. The network is praised because of the low gas fees and fast network transaction speed. AVAX is currently the 4th largest blockchain by total value locked. So we can see the adoption of AVAX network in decentralized finance it's been bullish for AVAX. So it's looking super good. Very bullish what's coming up in the market at the moment. And I hope that all these alts do get their massive impulse to the upside come the time of the alt season. So is Avalanche good to buy in 2022? Can we consider this a solid investment? Well, we've got 21 billion market cap, which is pretty huge. And if we look at the trading volume, we've got 531 million. So, you know, it's actually a good amount of trading volume. It means we've got a lot of holders in this particular project. And we've corrected down from about $147. So only really a 50% correction from current price. We did come down to an all-time correction at $54, however, and every time we're getting rejected at this $96 to $103 zone, as we can see here in the price chart. So Avalanche very much struggles to push through this $100 barrier. We get rejected at 104 this time, and when we come up to around the $96, there's a lot of resistance here. What I'm seeing on the daily RSI is that, you know, we're back down to this particular level. Well, the RSI is the same, but the price is higher this time around. So effectively, to me, it looks better than it did back in January or back in March, because the RSI is the same with a higher price level. And we're getting a lot of volume still. We can see that we're just trying to get back to the bull market support band. We have lost it where this lovely green and orange line is, and also we're under the 20-day moving average here. So hopefully we can get a bounce. If we check out our 4-hour time frame, RSI is sitting pretty low now. We can see RSI is coming down to about 33, so it's maybe indicating a good time to start loading up, because usually every time Avalanche comes down to this 30 RSI, over here, we get a bounce. We get a little bounce following. So maybe keep an eye on the relative strength index when we come below 20 or 30 even, it means it's potentially a good time to start buying the Avalanche. So if you want to buy Avalanche today, guys, you know, it's probably going to be a very good investment for the future. All we've got to use is our Fibonacci extension, and we can get those price predictions on what's going to come up in the next potential impulse. So we're looking at $172, $186, $205 are our pragmatic targets. If, that's a big if, we can hold this diagonal support, where we've written in support here, support here, support here. So I'll leave you a link down below if you want to buy Avalanche. Guys, if you're new to the channel, do hop into the Discord, come say hello. There's about 200 people in here at the moment, all different kinds of experience levels in cryptocurrency. So very much look forward to seeing you in there, and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. Thanks for checking out the video. See you soon. Bye now, guys.